Gareth and Janet here, Port Monkeys, and we are on the Discovery Princess, and we are in the Juno dining room right now, waiting for our tour, which is sunset sailing, luxury sunset sailing in Cabo San Lucas. There was about $125, but then they sent us a discount a couple nights ago, and so we got the discount. It was 15% off, and of course since we're elite we get another 10% off of that, so we saved 25%. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. So we're on the move now. Gonna get on a water shuttle, a tender boat. Even though we're on a tour, it's Cabo San Lucas, so you will always tender in Cabo San Lucas. What? Mind your step. Mind your head. Hi. Going up. Oh yeah, there's lots of room. So we're on the water shuttle now, which is of course one of the lifeboats on the ship. The ship is the Discovery Princess, and we're heading to Cabo. Los Arcos is right over there. Well, out there is Land's End, and this is Playa Publica, the public beach. And we have several videos showing how to get to it. That's the most convenient beach to get to in Cabo. No matter what cruise ship you come in on, there's ours out there. We're the only one in today. You will be brought right here to this dock. This is the water shuttle dock, or cruise tender dock. And there's the town.
I did bring extra baggies.
And there's some big yachts. They split us into 3 groups, I think, and luckily we're the last group, or unluckily, I don't know. I feel safe though. Okay, so once you get out of the dock, right there, see that? Then you get the sails, the tours, the whatever. And these are people waiting to get back on, and they only let a few of them in at a time. There's the tender boat dock with the people waiting to get back on. A little bit of shopping here. That's like a big shopping center. Arts and crafts market, you know, with individual stalls, people selling stuff. And we're coming out onto this dock to get into one of those. Okay.
More detailed explanation. Not just because we don't want to.
Got it?
What's your head? Mexican boat.
Nah. There were a lot of instructions. Don't bring spray sunscreen because you can't use it on the boat. So bring lotion.
Are you all ready? All right, let's get drunk.
So we're leaving the dock now, and they are blasting some music really loud. So you may not be able to hear me. We're out of the harbor now. The music has not gotten any quieter. This is Playa Publica, and public beach is what it means, right? And it's only that big, and I've never seen it quite so crowded. But there are other beaches down the way, but you might have to walk across rocks or out in the water. These are the little beaches. So tour boats and everything, they stop here to snorkel. Sometimes stop here for people to swim to the beach. Los Arcos is right up there. And the ship is right there. There's Lover's Beach. And of course on the other side of Lover's Beach is Divorce Beach. Haha. And I think we're going to sail around the tip and out to the open ocean. But as of yet, we're only motoring. We are not sailing. Neither is that. Here's more Lover's Beach. They turned off the music. And that's the last beach in Baja California. This is the tip. Land's End. There's Los Arcos. And there's that big rock. And that little rock is the end. And there's a boat just like ours. Same tour. So we're leaving Los Arcos, and the Sea of Cortez, which is where Cabo San Lucas is, it's right on the edge. And we're headed out to the deep blue Pacific. So we might see whales. We might see birds flying around that big rock. Well, now we're on the other side. That's Divorce Beach right there, and then that's part of the hotel's beaches. So, well, there's Divorce Beach, and I'm not sure what the name of this beach is. It's hard to get to from the dock over there, or the town, because the hotels don't want you walking through there. You know what I mean? But there's beaches all along. Yeah, I mean, it's Baja California. It's almost nothing but beaches. We've been seeing some whales out here. I'll try to record them. They've served us this food. It's for 2 people to share, though. These are chocolate. Those are grapes. Those sandwiches, chips, guacamole, pasta salad, and cheese and tomatoes. Dusted with something. Oh, I guess that's a salsa. Red. And the sun is setting. So we're hoisting the sails. The sun's getting ready to set. Just like us, except they have no sails. We are a sailing boat. Janet is sailing. Or so am I.
You need help getting over there?
I'm fine.
If you could see us from afar, we would look a lot like that. Quarter mile. I would guess. So I'm imagining that's what we look like from over there. Sunset's in about 10 minutes. Officially.
How am I going to record you?
Some people never learn.
Yeah. And you're one of them.
Sailing, sailing over the mountain main.
Only you. It is the captain.
One second. What do I have?
Now point.
Oh, wait.
You're gonna get the whole world? We have a YouTube channel.
Wait, turn that way. Oh, there, right there.
I want to see a whale come and jump.
The boat is moving out of frame. that guy. And he flaps when he gets a breeze. We're coming about. Sails. So the sun set about half an hour ago. You can see the ship right through there. It's all lit up, but it's getting dark out here now. There's another one of these same deals. Bill Withers is singing. So I'm going to cut this short, but there you can see Cabo San Lucas and Cabo San Janet. I think they're going to lower the sails, and so they've warned us to be careful because we were in the way. Let's pan around here. And here's the people working. They're working. You see, it's still bright out there. We're getting dark. Maybe you can see the ship right through there. Put that up. Whoa! Just like that. The sail is down. Climb up. Oh, I can tell. There's the ship, it's so beautiful. There's the port, it's so beautiful. So we're back to the arch. See it there, the sun shining through it. Well, light shining through it. And lots of boats still going around it. And Louis Armstrong, La Vienne Rose. And of course the Discovery Princess. Game going on up in the stars. Monday Night Football. So we're back in the harbor now. We're doing a 180 so we can back in. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a line of people trying to get back on a tender to get back on the ship. And look at the pelicans in the water there.
They're wild Mexican turkeys.
Oh, I'm sorry, they're wild Mexican turkeys, I've been told. So that was the end of our luxury sunset sailing. It's about 6:30 and it's dark. Well, it's dark out there.
Sunset was about 5:30.
Yeah. What did you want to say?
I loved it. It was great.
She loved it.
We've been on 3 different sunset sails, and this is the first time they actually pulled up the sails. And so that was a big plus.
I think it's because I asked, but I don't know.
But the other 2 boats put them up too.
I asked them too.
Oh, yeah. But we saw some manta rays, we saw whales. It was awesome.
We saw the sun go down on me.
And their snacks were chips and guacamole and salsa and pasta salad,
Cheese, tomatoes.
some little sandwiches.
But you saw, it's in the video.
It was a real appetizer snacks instead of just the crackers and cheese like you usually get in the chips and salsa.
And all you could drink. We asked for
Yeah.
shots of tequila, and they brought them with a little piece of lime in there and everything. So
We had a great time.
Janice drunk.
I am. Sorry.
But she didn't fall overboard.
Our backpack almost did.
Anyway, so we would highly recommend
Highly
this tour.
recommend this tour.
Luxury Sunset Sailing. It's from Cabo Adventures.
But we booked it through Princess.
We booked it through Princess because we got a deal, but you can book it directly through them, you know, but they don't guarantee you'll get back on the ship. Princess does.
If you
so.
book it through Princess, they guarantee that they'll wait the ship for you.
And I'm sure other cruise lines do the same, right?
From Cabo San Lucas, I'm Janet,
And I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next port. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Tour is ended, and now we have this line to get on a tender. And of course, as we were getting off the sailboat, it was much longer. So we're in luck. Of course, we don't have to. Last tender is not for an hour and a half. We're on the tender boat heading back to the ship. We sat at the dock for about half an hour, and finally it left. And I think we're going to the other side of the ship, actually. And there's the town. Of course, Princess Cruises, Discovery Princess.
We're in Discovery, but our room's right above.
We're headed for that opening right there.
Okay, on that, okay.
Of course, this happened when we got back to the ship on the tender boat. See, we're being rammed against the side of the ship. Right?
Come here.